Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today is a special day. It's my husband's birthday. So I thought of doing something special at home. Yes, I'm baking a cake. Actually, this is very first time baking a cake ever. And the idea came from my little one. He said, let's bake for Papa. So I said, why not? I didn't have a beater oven or fancy baking tools, but I made it work with what we had. And guess what? The result was amazing. The cake turned so soft, spongy, and super tasty. So this small success definitely encouraged me to try more bakes. You can expect more baking fun coming soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.